Every ATM card may has account holder's name, ATM card number and validity details. The backside of the ATM card has a magnetic bar, authorized signature and verification number. We can find out many ATMs in public places. ATM may has a digital locking system. We have to unlock the door by using ATM card. When the green light will be on, then we can open the door. ATM similarly looks like this. There is a display or screen, keyboard, card slot, cash dispenser, and a printer. To make any transaction, we need to punch the card into the card slot. Backside of the ATM card should be down. After that, the transaction screen will be appeared on the monitor. At first, select your language. Now, enter your secret PIN number. To withdraw cash, select your transaction as cash withdrawn. Select your correct account type. Now enter the amount of money from the keyboard. Press correct button for next. If you need printed slip, then press yes button. Now wait for a moment while your transaction is processing. After completion of the processing, a green light will be blinked and cash will come through the cash dispenser. Now collect your slip from the printer. Your transaction is completed. To get a mini statement, choose the mini statement button from the transaction screen. Again, choose your correct account type. Choose yes button to continue. Wait for a moment and collect your printed mini statement from the printer. Your transaction is completed. To know the current balance of your account, choose Balance Inquiry button from the transaction screen. Again, choose your correct account type. Choose Yes button to continue. Wait for a short time and you can see your current balance on the monitor. Always use dustbin to keep the ATM clean. Press Cancel button after completing all transactions from the ATM. Press the switch to unlock and open the door for exit.